What up, everybody? We are doing a transformation on this 2026 Model 3 Performance. The 2026 Performance comes with 20x9s up in the front and 20x10s in the rears. The warp wheels, we're gonna install AWZZ and 20x9, 20x10. So our AWZZs are direct fitment. If you got a brand new Tesla, you can use the same tires that you got for our AWZZ wheels, including we are going to be ceramic coating these wheels to help maintain the finish, keep the maintenance of the wheels a little bit easier. On top of that, we're going to be installing some carbon fiber mirror covers for this. We're excited to transform this 2026 and put a little bit of atomic style on top of it.
Before mounting, we apply a ceramic coating to the wheels to protect them from dirt, road chemicals, and brake dust. The result? Less maintenance and a flawless look for longer. We start by carefully removing the factory OEM wheels. Then we prepare and install the new forged wheels, professionally mounting and precisely balancing each one. Every step is done with attention to detail to ensure perfect fitment, optimal performance, and a smooth, vibration-free ride. What you're looking at right here is bead seat knurling. It plays a big role in performance. This textured surface increases friction between the tire and the wheel, helping prevent tire slip under hard acceleration, braking, and heavy load. On high torque vehicles, especially EVs, that matters. Without knurling, the tire can slightly rotate on the wheel over time, which can affect balance, wear, and consistency. Knurling helps lock everything in place. More stability, more consistency, and more confidence when you're pushing the vehicle. It's one of those details you don't always see, but you definitely feel.
All right, guys, we've completed the installation of these beautiful 20-inch AWZZ wheels. Now begins the process of installing these carbon fiber mirror covers. Now, this is a very difficult process, so I'm gonna show you guys how to knock it out really quick. Now, what you want to do, you want to use this paint coating surface prep, and you just want to wipe down. What you're gonna want to do, you're gonna want to remove that tape. Here comes the hard part. All right, you want to make sure that you're aligned well with this. See how it kind of just snaps over. You want to ensure everything's snapped in. Now that installation is complete, guys. All right, guys, we've completed the installation and transformation of this 2026 Model 3 Performance. Let's come take a look at some of the changes that we've made. We'll start here with the carbon fiber mirror covers. It just completely changes the look of the OEM setup. Very nice carbon fiber mirror covers. As you guys saw, it was a really easy installation. It's just a quick overlay of the carbon fiber mirror covers, removing the tape, just making sure this kind of gets up and over. On the installation process, take you less than 1 minute to get that install done. As well as the carbon fiber mirror covers, we've done 20x9s, AWZZ and Satin Bronze, and done a complete ceramic coating of these wheels. Direct fit to the OEM tires. So if you have a new Tesla and brand new life in tires, you just want to swap, we can do a staggered setup in 20x9 and 20x10 in the rear. We've done burned gold open titanium lug nuts. Now that's about a ½ pound savings in weight. It's a world of difference, especially when you're going aftermarket wheels. They look a whole lot better on the vehicle. Satin Bronze just looks absolutely amazing on this ultra red. Thank you guys for tuning in to Atomic Wheels. and stay tuned for some more stories and builds coming your way. If you've made it this far, welcome to the Atomic Wheels family. Make sure to drop a like, hit subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you'd love to see more of. Ready to upgrade your setup? Check out your next set at atomicwheels.com and use promo code YTAtomic for 15% off.